Okay, you guys, look. So I am using the same hair that I used before earlier this year. And it says I only have one pack left, and actually, it's not even a full pack. So hopefully, this works. I'm going to use the rubber band method. And this was the Expression Passion Twist, that color. What is 2T 1B/30. So yeah, it came with 20 strands, but from before I used 10, like, so it was about like 16 left, and I split them in half. So I think I'll have about 28 of them. So hopefully that works out. I'm going to use my favorite handy dandy mousse. This is, oh my God, you guys, that's all my favorite things. I might link that in the cards because yeah, that's a good look. And then last time I used the African Pride gel is somewhere around here, but I think I'm gonna use this particular Cream of Nature Edge Control. Of course, nothing is sponsored, but I just want to show you guys what I'm about to do, y'all. So right now I'm doing my hair is being um deep conditioned, and I'm using like the little greenhouse effect with my plastic bag. And yeah, so hopefully it turns out right. I'm just gonna sit here, watch a little bit of TV, and get these gals done. I might do a little bit of footage while I'm doing my hair. Cause I got a little extra time, y'all. And this week will be pretty much an easy week at school. So normally on a Sunday, I'm, prepping for my school week, but it should be a pretty easy week this week. And so I got a little bit of time on my hands. The hubby is out doing his softball game, doing his softball thing. And so, yeah, I'm going to get this done, but I will show you guys the finished product. And also, oh yeah, I need to get my video edited. My summer solstice um, lookbook. Yeah. So watch out for that. It probably already ran. Yeah. I'm going to link that in the cards. It ran already because it'll be up before this video. So yeah. All right. Talk to you guys in a bit. Good morning, good people. Guess what? It's the next day, and this is the finished product. It took me a while to do these last night or yesterday throughout the day, just watching TV, taking a few breaks. But I got them in, and it is 28 of them. They're kind of sparse because I didn't probably really have enough hair, but guess what? It's COVID. I'm not going anywhere. It's just a little hairstyle that I could pull off for the next like week or so. Maybe like a little less than 2 weeks. I probably will keep them in. But I think they turned out really well. I ain't mad. I ain't mad at all, honey. They will do right. I found these little, I don't know what you call these little cute things in my drawer of all kind of items, I guess if you will, hair stuff. But yeah, I popped them in. I have some cowrie shells I may change out with these throughout the time that I have them. But yeah, honey, I think they turned out really well. I'll probably pull them up in a ponytail or something like that, just to have a cute little hairstyle going on around here. What do you guys think? I think they turned out really well. So I don't know, when I have my hair like this, I just play and play and play in them, and yeah, they're really lightweight. I love this hair. That expression hair is really lightweight, and it's like it's nothing even in on my head as far as like hair goes. So yeah, I think they turned out really well. But yep, this is the finished and final product, and I'll be having these in for the next couple weeks. I put them up in a ponytail, and I wanted you guys to see how they look in a ponytail. So what do you think? Oh baby, what do you think?
You look very pretty. I like how your braids look. They're stylish. They're very beautiful on you.
Thank you, baby.
Yep.
So you heard it there first. The hubby likes them. So yeah, my earring came out. It's just a little quick do. Thank you, baby. Little quick do to get me by these next couple weeks. And I'm struggling with life. Struggling. Oh well. Oh, there it is. There we go. So yeah. All right, just wanted to pop in here and give you the little ponytail version. Let's see, hopefully I'm panning around where you can kind of see it a little bit. So yeah, but whatever. Yep, that's what's going on here. All right, talk to you guys later. For real this time. Bye. Hit that like button, subscribe button, notification bell, and comment below. So one more thing really quickly. That style ended up only lasting about 8 days or so, and because it was so sparse, I ended up going to the beauty supply to purchase more hair, and then I took it down, did like a little quick dry shampoo, and here is the finished product. And I've had them in about a month or so. They really lasted well. So yeah, hope you like it. This is Carla, just vlogging life. Talk to you later.